you die for it or you disappear. Came up in Hanford, 559 my throne. Used to push packs, now I move bricks and bolt. Go play the heat tucked under my coat. Enemies whisper, but they don't want smoke. Every dollar made came soaked in sin. Every homie lost made my heart turn grim. Rolling with the click, got the city on lock. Low riders creeping, switch hitting the block. Eyes on the throne, but they ain't got the vision. I built this from nothing, now they all want the vision. Pockets got heavy, power got strong. Now the feds on one eye trying to tap what I'm on. Used to ride with my brothers, thought we never break. Now my name in his mouth, he a fed with a case. Rico switched up, signed a deal for his life. Now I got red beams when I step at the light. Took me for a fool, homie, I don't forgive. I sent word out, they know where he live. One phone call, now they kicking his door. Ain't no trial, ain't no talk, just a war. I built this empire brick by brick. Gave these fools game, now they acting slick. Tried to cut my name, tried to take my shine. But you can't kill a king when he running his prime.
Oh, that one. Damn, that was quick. Hell yeah. There you go. You heard that shit. You heard that ripping. Oh, damn. This guy was hungry. Shit. He saw the whole goddamn thing. Little one. What the hell? Oh, shit.
Ain't no court dates, ain't no second chance.
I don't think so.
Let the pistols dance.
Hold on, boy.
City full of snakes, but I see through the lies they want what I built, but they won't take mine. Word hit the streets, got a price on my head. I'm watching every shadow, every step I tread. Need a passport fast, gotta get ghosts for it.
Hungry.
Lit up with the plug till I'm cash in hand. Said
Gone.
deal, then it's off to the land, but the setup was clean, didn't peep the disguise. Feds rushed in, lights flashing my eyes. Now I'm locked in a cage, 25 to the game. Made my name in the streets, but the game don't wait. Got a son out there, hope he learned from my past. Money burn quick, but the scars gon' last.
Get this shit out. Holy crap.
Let's go. That's the way to let it go. Money stack high, but the trust lay low. Watch your back, watch your foes. One wrong step and your name gets ghost. The money come fast, but the past move quicker. You either make it out or you end up a picture. Blood and gold, that's all that's left.
Real quick. Oh, yeah.
Money come fast, but the past move
There you go.
559 Street, where the night run deep. Follow on to make the whole block creep. We cruise low, we ride deep, steel on the chrome, shadows in the street. Names on the wall, still talking tonight. Forever we roll.
Stop check, Dixon. See, move.
62 sitting low. Home date and spin. Everybody knows. Pendleton swinging. Every mirror song, every tag a prayer. Neon glow, still right there. Hydraulics.
I'm telling you, this little setup, man, feels good. With these little smalls, man. I'll tell you right now, these fish fight harder than any lake fish. For some reason, they're just built for the fucking canal. They feel good. Hell yeah. There you go. Jerk, jerk, baby. Easy, easy. They feel good. Good tug. There you go.
559th Street, yeah, the night run deep. Holler on to
Little 15,
make the whole
16 inches. Not bad, not bad.
we cruise low.
First time catching them on this lure right here. It feels good.
Steel on the
Straight. Solid.
in the street.
I don't know the name of this, guys, but motherfucker looks good.
Still talking tonight.
Feels good. Alright, let's do it again.
We ride low and deep.
Yeah, big difference. Wow. Put on the swivel, guys. Makes a big ass difference. There we go. Easy, buddy. Easy, easy. Little changes makes a big difference. Nice one. Oh yeah. KVD. Smooth. I worked on some lures. This one I got it down deeper, smoother. Let's do it again.
In my palm, let the oldies bleed, but the G-funk baseline not like it's trying to leave. Pendleton creased up, keep it close when things get hot. One time lurking, but we still don't stop. Sideways drift, funk twist, bounce out the lot. Graffiti on the walls, homies tagging up the block. Chicano funk vibe in the summer night air. Every echo in the speakers let you know we right here. Gospel in the Centennial Park Zone. Homies posted deep, every one of them crowned up. Moonwalk shadows through the purple haze. Talk box whispering secrets from the old school days. Hit the switches once, watch the frame just glide. Chrome glow, halo in the G-Ride slide. What you got on 40 ounce, homie, so they say. The fools from across the way know how we move. 559 life, ain't a soul gon' fold. Seen homies switch up, seen too many buried. Ink on my skin, tell the pain I carry. Chronos rise in the midnight heat. Ghost wave on, dripping under my feet. From alley to the main line, the vibe stay tight. 559 funk running all through the night. Ride it, G, side it, ride all night, night. Drink that boom, chrome low, let the night flow. Cruising on the side, and 559
There you go. Got him. Oh, yeah. Good. Okay. Get over here. There we go.
Freestyle drip is a nighttime star. Always in the asphalt, never get old. Break dancers hit the spins in the parking lot. Shine, bass, knock, rewind. Homie, press that line. One time roll through, but I didn't even flinch. 559 raise, but we never gon' switch. Hamper to Morone, let the block stay.
Yeah, keep it right here. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Got this little lip lisk. crankbait right here. That one right here did it. That's a keeper right here. Nice one. Here. A lipless crankbait. Just gotta jerk it.
Yeah, rolling through hand for the Morone. Same streets, same code. Impala hit the corner. Candy paint in slow-mo. Tall box humming low. Got the whole block in the move. Chrome things glisten while we slide through the hood. 40 ounce on my palm, let the oldies bleed. Put that G-phone baseline out like it's trying to leave. Little tip creased up. Keep it close when things get high. One time lurking, but we still don't stop. Sideways drift, funk twist. Bounce out the lot. Graffiti on the walls, homies tagging up the block. Check on a funk vibe in the summer night air. Every echo in the speakers let you know we right here. Gospel in the Centennial Park Zone. Homies posted deep, every one of them crowned up. Moonwalk shadows through the purple haze. Talk box, whispering secrets from the old school days. Hit the switches once, watch your frame just glide. Chrome glow, hella when the G-Ride slide. What you got on 40 ounce on me, so they say. Them fools from across the way know how we move. 559 life in a sober foe. Seen homies switch up, seen too many buried. Ink on my skin to the pain I carry. Chrome halos rise in the midnight heat. Ghost wave phone drifting under my feet. From Alice to the mainland, the vibes stay tight. 559 fun running all through the night.
I scared the shit out of me. It's a fucking 8-pounder. Holy crap. Oh god. Something.
On the side with that 559. Dog box glue, let the night time flow. Chrome daytime drift in the breeze.
That shit looks like a park. Big old bass.
559 the babies, on crypt in the dreams. Waves. Far down days, go clear waves, go clear waves.
There you go. Got him. Barely hooked. Shit. Barely hooked. Come on. Find him this way. Get away. There you go. been a while.
True G's don't flex, don't fold, don't freeze. They rule they self before they rule the streets.
Easy, easy, guy.
See what he go
Easy, easy.
Fast friends trying to sit in my space. But I remember nights when it was just me, cold air, hard ground, real loyalty.
Real don't run,
Real don't speak loud.
real don't speak loud.
Real don't speak now. True G's move quiet, don't need applause. They don't chase clout, they respect the laws. True G's stay calm when the tension freeze. Power and patience, that's true G's. I seen men rise just to fall off pride. Too loud, too reckless, nowhere to hide. Thought fear was love, thought noise was control. Till the mirror showed cracks in the soul. Seen it too many times. Glass wall room, city under my feet. Loneliness louder than the sound of the streets. Everybody close when the table full. But weight get heavy, only truth pull. I learned real late what early was saved. A real G don't need to dominate. Respect ain't forced, it's earned with time. Power without purpose cross a dangerous line. I don't need to scream to be felt. I don't need a crown to be king. I rule my mind, I check my ego. That's the difference, that's the difference. True G's move quiet, don't chase no hype. They survive the dark, they respect the light. True G's stand firm when the pressure squeeze. They master themselves, that's true G's. True G's don't rush, don't brag, don't bend.
If you got something
They think long term, not moment wins.
and then jerking it.
I seen what he
Or
go
onto
do, I
something
see
there.
what we bring.
Give it a jerk, jerk, pause.